Hi, I'm Kent with Maven Roofing. A lot of homeowners are asking about roof rejuvenation in 2025. What is it and how much does it cost? Here's the truth. It can save you thousands. Roof rejuvenation is a treatment that restores flexibility and adhesion to aging shingles, extending the life of your roof by up to 5 or even 10 years. The average rejuvenation can cost between $2,000 and $5,000 depending on your roof size and condition. Compare that to $15,000 for a roof replacement, and you can see why it's an appealing option. We start with a full inspection. Then we use a treatment that soaks into the shingles and restores lost oils. It's not a gimmick. We've used it on homes where the shingles were drying out, but still structurally sound. We'll always be honest. If rejuvenation makes sense, we'll recommend that. If your roof needs more, we're going to be honest about that too. Real value isn't just about saving money, it's about making smart, informed choices. Curious if your roof qualifies for rejuvenation? Call Maven today for a free inspection and honest advice.